G'day and welcome to another video with Better Pics. Hope this finds you all well. Today's just a super quick video for a little feature that I have discovered in Adobe Camera Raw. I can't even tell you how long it's been there because I've only just discovered it. And it's not much of a feature, but it certainly I think would help in just speed with workflow. Now, currently you can see with the image that I have up on screen that there's a whole bunch of masks that I have used to create this edit. And as you would, I think, know, you can change the size of the brush when you're using a brush for masking simply by clicking and dragging left and right. As you can see, that's the brush size changing there. Or you can use your left and right brackets, and that's a way to increase or decrease your brush size as well. Now, when you're using your brush tool, if you left click and drag, it applies the brush to your image, as you can see, with it shown with that red overlay. Now, if we just go back one, what I've actually discovered is that when you create a new brush mask, if you right click and drag either side, it actually decreases or increases your brush size. So it's another way to kind of make that change in brush size, which I think is pretty good. It sort of saves you from having to go over to the tool left or right or use extra keys while you're editing. You can very quickly, just by right clicking and dragging left or right, adjust the size of your brush tool. Now, it might not seem like much, but as you can see with an image like this where there's 13 masks that make up the edit of this image, and there's been a lot of work put into it, it is a great way to just quickly adjust the size of your brush and make those adjustments to specific parts of your image if you need a larger or smaller brush as your tool. So, quick and easy one today, and something that I think will definitely help some people's workflows and just speed up the process a little bit. Thanks for stopping by. As always, any questions are welcome in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.